kids. Today we will solve the question about time and money. So let's start with the first question. Rishi bought 2 pens at rupees 10 each. So how many pens Rishi bought? 2 pens, and one price is 10 rupees each. Carefully read the question, each. If we write 2 pens in 10 rupees, then 1 pen price will be half of that 10. So 5 will be each. Right now he said 10 rupees each. So 2 pens price is 10 plus 10 equals to 20. Then and the notebook price is 45. Then how much he spent together? So 2 pen price is 20, and 20 rupees plus 45, we need to, here he said all together, so we need to add them. 5, 2 plus 4 is 6, so answer is 65 rupees. So we need to read the question carefully. Next is Aarti started walking to mall at 8:25 p.m. At what time she started from mall? 8:25 p.m. Then she reached the mall at, she started, now reached the mall 8:45 p.m. How long did she take to walk to the mall? So this part is always hour and this part is the minute. So we need to subtract the time for find the time she take to reach the mall. So always subtract from bigger number. So 8:45 is the bigger time and 8:25 is the lesser time. So just 5 minus 5 is 0, 4 minus 2 is 2, 8 minus 8 is 0. So how much minutes? This is minute part. So 20 minutes she took to reach the mall. Next is a clock is 15 minutes fast. What is the actual time if it is showing 5 p.m.? A clock is how much fast? 15 minutes. So, what is the actual time if it is showing 5 p.m.? So, we know that clock is running fast. So, we have here 12, 3, 6 and 9. So, here we have 5. So if this clock is showing 5, so we need to go back. We need to go back 15 minutes from 12. So 15 minutes, one number difference is 5 minutes that we learned yesterday. So 5, 5. So total it's come 15. So what will be the time if clock minute needle is at 9? So it will be 4:45. 9 is 45 p.m. So answer is 4:45 p.m. So always draw the clock and understand where the digits or number of the hour hand and minute hand. So it will be easy to solve. Next is Neha and Riya had a total of 96 rupees. So Neha plus Riya amount is 96 rupees. If they shared the money equally, then how much money would each one get? So 96 we need to divide into two parts. So if you want to divide, you need to divide these numbers. So if you want to divide, so easiest way to do it, you don't know the divide, okay? So what we need to do, we need to take the options. So if divide means we need to twice the amount. So we need to add 64 plus 64, 4 plus 8, 6 plus 6 is 12. So 128 is equals to 96? No. Next we will add 46 plus 46 rupees. 6 plus 6 is 12, 1 carry over, 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4 is 9, so it's a 92 rupees, that is also not equals to 96. Next is 48 rupees plus 48 rupees, 8 plus 8 is 16, 1 is carry over, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 5 plus 4 is 9. So it is matching with the 96. So answer is C. So if you confuse how to divide, then check your options and add them. You will get the answer. You need to find the 96 here. Next is Soham left his friend's home at the time shown in the clock. What is shown in the clock? It's a 5 p.m. So he left the home. He waited 10 minutes for the cab. How much time he wait? 10 minutes. Reached his home at 5:30 home. 5:30 p.m. he reached the home. How long was his cab journey? So we know that the start time is 5 p.m. So it's a 0 minute in the 5, and he reached at the 30 minutes. So 30 minutes it took from left from the home to reach to the home. Then 10 minutes he waited for the cab. So we need to minus the 30 minutes. So 0 minus 0, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 20 minutes he in the cab. So answer is B. Next is a dress costs 40 rupees. How much it costs? 40 rupees. So a doll cost, this is dress cost, dress cost 40 rupees and doll cost 35 more than the dress. So more than when come, we need to add. So 35 and add dress cost. So what is the dress cost? 40 rupees. So we need to add 35 plus 40. 5, 3 plus 4 is 7. So 75. What is the total cost of the doll and the dress? So 75 is the doll price and dress cost is 40. So we need to add 40 again. So 5, 7 plus 4, 7 in the mind, 4 on the hand, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 115 is the dress and total doll's cost. So we need to carefully read. Here they said more than the dress. Next is if Pooja goes for a dance classes on all odd days. What are the odd days? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in September. Then how many days will go for a dance class? Assume that every Sunday is holiday. So in the calendar you can see she go all the odd days. Odd days means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and ends with these numbers. So we need to count these, and all the Sundays are holiday. Even they are odd days, she didn't go for the classes. 1, so start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So she goes for 13 days. So count carefully. Cost of box chocolate is given. Find the cost of 3 such boxes. So we have one box price is 55, second box is also 55, third box price is also 55. So we need to add them because we need to find the total cost. So 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 1 is carry over, 5 plus again 5 plus 5 plus 5 15 plus 1 16. So 165 is the answer. Now we need to find the how many notes or coins we need to use for that. So you need to add the all the options and you can find it where you get the 165. So 100 rupees note plus 50 rupees note plus 10 rupees note plus 5 rupees note. So 5 plus 1 is 6 and 1, so 165, this is matches with the answer. So this is the A is the answer. Next is a group of friends plans to meet on the second Friday of the August. On which date will they meet? So they are asking for the second Friday. So first Friday is at 2 and second Friday is on 9th. So answer is B. Karan has 250 notes with him. How many? 250 rupees notes. He want to shop and saw a wallet which cost 120 rupees. One wallet price is 120 rupees. How much money he needs to buy the wallet? So he already have how much money? He had 50 plus 50, 100 rupees he has already, and now 120 he want to buy for a wallet. So how much money he need? We need to subtract the amount that wallet cost and what he had. So 0, 2 minus 0 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0. So 20 rupees he need. So where is 20? This is 10 plus 5 is 15, 10 plus 10 is 20. So answer is B. Here 5 plus 2 is 7 and here we have only 5 rupees. So answer is B. Next is Tina started walking to beach at 6:15 p.m. When she started at 6:15 p.m. She reached the beach at 6:40 p.m. How long did she take to walk to the beach? She take to the walk, so we need to just take bigger number and then smaller time and then subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5 and here we have 1 borrow, so 3 minus 1 is 2, 6 minus 6 0. So she took 25 minutes to reach the beach. Next is 25. We found 25. The time shown on the clock is, so here where is the small needle? Between 2 and 3 and big needle at 2. So 2 is 10 minutes to 10 minutes past to 2 because we are after the 12, between the 12 and 6. So what we need to 10 minutes past 2 o'clock. If this big needle is here, then we write 1 minute 10 minutes to 2 o'clock. So answer is B. Cost of a flower pot is shown here. What will be the cost of 2 such flower? So one flower pot is 1 105 rupees. So 2, we need to add the same amount again. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 210 is the answer. Shakshi started doing her homework at 3 p.m. At what time? 3 p.m. she started. Finish it at 7 p.m. If she takes an hour of lunch, then how much time did she take to complete her homework? So we need to just first find how much time she took. So 7 minus 3. So 0, 0, 7 minus 3 is 4. So 4 hours she took for homework. Now 1 hour we need to remove because she take lunch, so she didn't work on the time. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So total she took 3 hours. Okay kids, I will share the worksheet for it. You do it at home, and bye bye. See you.